Your 2021-2023 Toyota Sienna key fob uses a CR232 3-volt battery. When it weakens, you might experience issues with remote start, locking unlocking, or the panic alarm. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool, and a plastic opening tool optional to prevent scratches. To replace the battery, locate the notch on the fob's edge. Gently pry open the back cover with your screwdriver. Be cautious to avoid damaging internal circuits. Remove the old battery, which is held by a clip. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up, correctly aligned in the clip. Snap the cover back on and test all functions from a distance. If problems persist, try reprogramming the fob by turning the ignition to on and pressing the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. Always work on a non-conductive surface to prevent shorting the fob. Double-check the battery polarity, as incorrect placement can cause immediate failure. If you scratch the fob during prying, use a plastic tool or tape the screwdriver tip. Environmental trends push for rechargeable options to reduce e-waste. In the future, key fob technology is shifting toward integrated smartphone apps and biometric access, reducing reliance on physical batteries. Some aftermarket CR2032 batteries claim 5 to 7 years of life. If you follow the instructions and are careful, you will avoid the $100 dealer fee. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly.